Hi everyone and welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to share my top picks from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. I'm going to recommend some amazing makeup products that I absolutely love, and these products are really close to my heart. And in today's video, I will be creating this stunning makeup look. Now, I don't say this very often, but my makeup looks flawless today. I feel that this is because I used all the best products that I have. I'm going to recommend some drugstore products and some high-end products too, because these high-end products are available on crazy discount. So you definitely have to check that out. And while we are talking about the products, I want to let you know that all the products that I will be recommending in today's video are cruelty-free. So yes, if you want to know my sale recommendations, keep watching. I'm going to start with primers. The first primer that I have is the Relove H2O Hydrate Primer. This is a primer for normal skin. It is also a good primer for dry skin. It's a hydrating primer. It is non-sticky and it gives you a very glowy skin. You can just apply it all over your face, exactly like a moisturizer. You can also apply this without any makeup. This is not going to give you a tacky finish. Obviously, you have to wait for a couple of minutes after application. This gives you very smooth and hydrated skin, but it won't make your skin feel tacky. After this, I have the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. This is a blurring, lightweight and non-drying primer. It also mattifies your skin. It masks fine lines. It gives you super smooth skin. It's a really good primer for all skin types. It's totally colorless. It has got no fragrance and it's also non-comedogenic. So it's a really good primer for all skin types. Those are the two primers. You can layer them if you want to. Always apply the hydrating primer below the mattifying primer. After this, I have the Flower Beauty Blush Bomb Color Drops. This one is in the shade Cinnamon Crush, which is my favorite shade. It's a burnt orange kind of shade, and this blush actually shears down a lot. It's best for everyday wear, and it's also a really good blush to wear without any makeup. It gives a very healthy glow to your skin. It's completely non-sticky. It's lightweight and is very blendable. The packaging is very travel friendly. It's also user friendly because this has a precise dropper applicator, so you can just apply it right in the areas where you want to blend it. After this, I have the K-Beauty HD Liquid Color Corrector in Peach. The peach and the yellow variant are my favorites. I generally use peach to cancel dark circles on my under eyes. This is the best color corrector for beginners. It's also very blendable. It has a tint, not a lot of color, so it's really easy to use, and it can be applied just as a concealer. For foundation, I have the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in shade 3.0. This has good coverage and it gives a very second skin kind of finish. The shade 3.0 is perfect shade for NC40 and it's actually very close to the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. This foundation is lightweight, it's long lasting and it's available in 26 shades. So for me, it's like a dupe of the MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation. It's perfect for spot correction. It is a good foundation for all skin types and it has got no fragrance, plus it comes with a pump. I really like the packaging, it's very hygienic. For my lips, I'm going to use the Too Faced lip injections for now. This is the best lip plumper I've ever tried. This actually works and I've been using it for years. I always apply it while skin prep. It makes your lips super plump. Next are concealers. The first concealer that I have is the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer. If you're looking for something that gives you a more natural finish, you can get the PAC Take Cover Concealer. I'm in the shade Classic Beige. Now the e.l.f. one is for people who want coverage. This one is in the shade Medium Sand. It's like a burst of coverage. It doesn't dry out your skin since it's a hydrating concealer. It is for all skin types. It does oxidize a little. So the shade Medium Sand actually oxidizes a little and it matches me perfectly. The PAC concealer is for more natural medium coverage makeup looks. Both the concealers are very blendable. PAC concealer has a medium coverage and both of these concealers are lightweight. Then we have setting powders. I've actually got 3 setting powders. Number 1 is the Nykaa All Day Matte Compact in Olive. It's a super affordable compact for everyday wear. Then I have the Relove HD Super Matte Translucent Powder. This is the best loose powder for dry skin. And ultimately, I have my favorite compact, which is the Kiro Botanico Timeless Matte Compact. This one is in the shade 05. If you want to make your base long lasting, always set your face partially with compact before applying loose powder. If you have dry skin, you can stop at the compact. Then we have cream contour, and for cream contour I have the Faye Buildable non-drying multi-use matte stick in the shade 2 Extra. This is the perfect neutral brown color for contouring. It's also buildable, so you can use it for natural looks or for glam looks. It can be used as a lipstick, contour stick, or eyeshadow. It's also very blendable. So here I applied it after my powder and it still blends really nicely into my skin. Let's get to the eyebrows. For eyebrows, first of all, I have the MUA Brow Define Micro Brow Pencil. This is the only brow pencil that I will highly recommend. It's a spot-on dupe of some really good eyebrow pencils. It's long-lasting, it's smudge-proof, and you can make hair-like strokes. It's super precise. It is dual-ended, and it has got a retractable pencil and a spoolie. For brow gel, I have the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This is perfect for making your brows look voluminous and natural. I just love using it when my brows are not in shape. It enhances the beauty of them. For eyeshadow, I have the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude eyeshadow palette. I think this eyeshadow palette is available on 40% discount right now. You will love everything about this palette, the shades, the packaging, and the textures of the eyeshadows. It is perfect for creating any type of makeup look. The shades are so subtle yet impactful. The mattes are super blendable, the metallics are super shiny. This also has 3 multi-reflective shades and a gloss with encapsulated bronze and berry pearls. The gloss is very interesting because you can use it on the eyes and you can also use it as a highlighter. This palette has a lot to offer and you can use it to create countless number of looks. The shades look like magic on your eyes. For my eyeliner, I have the Huda Beauty Lifeliner Duo Eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner. It has a super precise tip and buildable pigmentation to create the sharpest wing. The kohl side is smudge-proof, creamy, and long-lasting. For false eyelashes, I have the Rene Cosmetics Ash, the Fiery One false eyelashes. It is a bit bold and this one is not my absolute favorite, but I really want to wear some false eyelashes with this look. But for lash glue, I'll highly recommend the PAC eyelash glue, especially if you have sensitive eyes. I have tried so many eyelash glues, but this works the best. For blush, I have the MUA blush. This one is in the shade Rogue Punch, and I think that this brand is very underrated. This is a matte blush and the pigmentation is perfect. It's very blendable, it's non-drying. It's just a perfect blush for beginners, and also the packaging is beautiful. Then let's move on to powder contour. First off, the Sugar Contour de Force palette remains my favorite. It's just perfect. Everything about this palette is perfect. You also get the shades separately, like the bronzers and the blushes and the highlighters, but I feel that all the shades in the Contour de Force palette are worth a try. They are really good. Especially if you have dusky skin, these shades are beautiful. I love the Fierce Feet variant the most. I think this is their newest variant. Apart from this, I've also tried Subtle Summit, but I like Fierce Feet more. Then my favorite and most trusted setting spray, the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. I just love the finish of this setting spray. After spraying it all over your face, your makeup looks 100% airbrushed. Then let's move on to powder highlight. For powder highlight, I have the K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in Honey Glaze. This is a very finely milled powder highlighter. It's non-drying. It has a very smooth texture. It doesn't enhance any texture on your skin. It's very lightweight, long wearing, and Honey Glaze is the best shade for dusky skin tone. Now for my nude lip combo, I have the K-Beauty Lip Liner in Fame First. Lipstick day is right around the corner, so I have something planned for that. But for today, I am going to use this nude lip combo. First of all, I'm just applying the K-Beauty Matte Action Lip Liner in Fame. This is my favorite lip liner. This is my favorite brown lip liner. After the lip liner, I'm using the K-Beauty Matte Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Rumor. The contact lens that I'm wearing here is the O-Lens Scandy Grey. I'm going to link that in the description as well. That's it for the video. I have linked all the products along with the brushes in the description box, so do check them out. I also want to let you know that I am a Nykaa affiliate, which means if you shop any product from my link, I am going to get a small commission. And that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys find this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.